The cash price of a sofa set is 50,000 shillings. A hustler buys it on hire purchase by making a down payment of 20,000 shillings, followed by 18 monthly installments of 2,000 shillings. We have to calculate the carrying charge and the rate of interest charged per month. We start by identifying the quantities we are given in the question. So we start with the cash price. We are told is 50,000 shillings. And then we are told there's a down payment, which is like a deposit. So a deposit is 20,000 shillings. And we are told followed by 18 monthly installments of 2,000. So monthly installment is 2,000. And then the duration is 18 months. Having identified the quantities, now we need to get the total installments. Total installments will be given by monthly installment times the duration. The monthly installment is 2,000 shillings per month times 18 months, and that gives you that 6,000 shillings. So this is the total installments. So the total hire purchase price will be given by the total installment added to the deposit. In other words, the deposit plus the total installments. Our deposit is 20,000 plus the total installments which we have calculated here, which is 36,000, and that sums to 56,000 shillings. This is the hire purchase price. Now, for us to get the carrying charge, we shall take the hire purchase price, subtract the cash price, and that is 56,000 shillings, which we have just calculated here, minus the cash price, which is 50,000 shillings, and that gives you 6,000 shillings. This is the carrying charge. The second question wants us to get the rate of interest charged per month. Normally, the rate the rate is calculated using compound interest formula. So the compound interest formula is that one which says amount is equal to principal into 1 plus rate of 100 raised to power n, where a is the amount, this is the principal, this is the rate, and this is the duration. If the rate is per annum, the duration should be in years. If the rate is per month, the duration should be per month, or number of months. Now, basing our argument on the question we have up here, our amount is the total hire purchase price, which is 56,000 shillings. That one is equal to the principal is the cash price, is 50,000 shillings, into 1 plus rate of 100 raised to power 18. Why? Because we want to get the rate in terms of per month, and therefore we have to use the duration here in terms of months. The next step is to try to simplify this so that we make R the subject of the formula, and we shall start that by dividing both sides by 50,000 so that we will make that. So we divide this one by 50,000 and here by 50,000. You realize this and this cancels, and then 56,000 divided by 50,000 gives us 1.12. So that one is equal to 1 plus rate of 100 raised to power 18. Now we need to remove this power 18, and how we do that is by finding the 18th root on both sides. So look for the 18th root here and 18th root here. This 18th root will cancel with the power 18. So on this side we shall have 1 plus rate of 100. For this one we use our calculators or 4-figure mathematical tables to find the 18th root, and that is 1.0064. That one is equal to 1 plus rate of 100. Remember, this root has cancelled the power. Now let us take 1 across equal sign. So we shall have 1 minus 1.0064 minus 1. So we shall have on this left hand side shall have 1.0064 minus 1, because when 1 crosses cosine, it changes to minus 1, is equal to r over 100. When you subtract this, you get 0.0064 being equal to rate of 100. Multiply both sides by 100 so that we get r. If you multiply this by 100 and this by 100, you realize this r and this 100 and this 100 cancels, and then this times this gives you 0.64. So 0.64 is equal to r, and therefore our rate is 0.64%. Thank you.